Hello everyone, this is Chinese with Elara, and today we are going to learn vowel finals. Are you ready? Trust me, it's a fun game. A, 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 O, 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 E, 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 U, 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 Ü, Ü, Ü. Little tip to help you remember them better. Read them together. I, a, I, a, I, a, I, a, u, I, u, I, we, a, o, ow, 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 o, 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 e, u, 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 e, a, ye, ye, ü, yue, r, 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 r. Part 4. A, an, e, in, u, when, ü, yun, a, on, e, yung, o, on. Here's the super easy difference between the front nasals and back nasals. Take an example. Front nasals, tongue forward, short sound, and back nasals, tongue back, longer, deeper sound, on. Great.